So I'm using the i3 tiled window manager, and I have multiple monitors, and I have a problem. The problem is that I frequently want to switch one workspace, or not switch, I want to move one workspace from one monitor to another with all the windows in the same workspace and keeping the layout of that workspace and all. And then there's a way to do that, of course. I mean, i3 move workspace to monitor. Basically, you can assign like you can assign a workspace to an output. So I could somehow make like key bindings similar to the key bindings for moving windows, to move workspaces in all directions, which is one way. But I really only have 2 monitors that I actually use. So I don't think I want to move them like this. I just want to perhaps alternate between the 2 monitors. So maybe I can learn a simpler a simpler key binding instead of like relying on thinking about the direction. And even if I had multiple monitors, I could just bring up like a Rofi menu for picking which output to choose for that workspace. So I think that I want to do something different, and I found like a script, like cycle i3 workspaces monitors or something like that. I'm not sure where I found it. Maybe I have the link somewhere. I don't know. i3 move workspace to monitor. Okay, yeah, this is what I found. And then, I mean, it even has a version to cycle through more than 2 monitors. But what the problem I have with this is that basically it requires, I mean, it's a Python script, which is fine. I have Python installed, there's no issue, but it requires this specific Python dependency to be installed globally. And I don't know, I want to keep my let's say dependencies clean, because I'm sharing the same configuration or same dot files between multiple computers. Somehow I don't want to also have to introduce like a new way to install these like Python specific dependencies. Like I want to rely on the operating system's package manager, and I don't think I want to have like globally installed Python packages so much, if it's possible to avoid it. So I'm looking to rewrite the same script, but without having to run this command to make it work. And actually, I mean, basically this is using like the remote control functionality of i3. So that's all, can also be accessed from the terminal with the command called i3 msg. So i3 message, and I believe I can put like get outputs here. Get workspaces. Let me see the documentation of i3 msg. So what the hell, this should work. Yeah, this should work. i3 msg get workspaces. Okay, minus t. What is minus t? Type. Ah, send IPC message. Okay, okay, gotcha. Okay, so get workspaces. And then I can, okay, probably use JQ to... Okay, I don't have JQ. We will install that. Okay, so now that I have JQ, I can see the different workspaces. And okay, JQ build or find item. I forgot how this works in JQ. Okay, so something like dot square brackets select, then dot focused. Okay, so that's the focused workspace, and I can see what output it's on. So it's visible and focused. I can see the resolution. Okay, let's see. They were also getting the outputs. MSG get minus t. Okay, so definitely let's just get active outputs. Okay. And I guess the simple version of this would be, okay, I could create a create a folder. Well, okay, I could put this inside i3, and then here create a folder called scripts. Oh, well, okay, that's not how this works. And then, okay, i3 cycle workspace.sh. What is it? Apps, i3, scripts. Hey, I don't know. Scripts cycle workspace. And now I can put, okay, focused workspace, and then I can get the output from this one. So I can get that output, and can make it the raw output. Yes, why is it a new line there? Ah, okay, there isn't a new line. Okay, so basically current workspace output equals current workspace output equals i3 msg get workspaces road, get all of that. Is it even needed? Okay. And then for okay, next, well, other put equals, it's similar, should be i3 msg minus t get outputs aq. Okay, it should be an active output. And then, in addition to that, let's say name should be something like a name should not be dp0. I don't know how this works in, okay, JQ logical. There's okay, it's like Python. But it's, oh, what? Oh. Okay. So basically I can put this here. Other output. This has to be like this. Oh, not print echo, but it's still another issue there. It's okay, maybe, sure. But I think this. Okay, and we just need the name of this workspace, or this output, I think so. And also raw output. Oh. Okay. So now I can just say i3 msg move workspace to output other output. Okay, that worked. Now if I run it again, it should move it back to this one. So you can see the workspace now because I'm only recording one monitor. But let's see if I run the same script again, it should move it back. Perfect. So it works. So now I can actually add this to my i3 config. And I believe that I have something like, oh yes, I have my .files folder set up, so probably, okay, i3 set and big, or just set any variable. I don't know if it's, well, i3 config. But basically I can set, okay, config there to, oh no, config there to dot what was it? .files folder slash apps slash i3. And then set, okay, scripts is big deer slash scripts. Now I can say find C M to use scripts slash i3 cycle workspace.sh. And if I restart i3, I should be able to cycle through. I'm not. i3 c logs. Isn't right or log file. Journal CTL i3. I don't know what is actually wrong. Well, what if I put the full path slash home slash app slash i3 slash scripts. Oh, now it works. So it was something with the variables. Maybe .files folder is not available here. Oh yeah, that was it. So for some reason that is not available. i3 config the use env variable. Probably, or maybe X profile is not okay. Ah, okay. Set from resource folder echo.files folder. Oh, it works. Okay, so that was it.